Hello everyone, welcome back. This is the second video in my Healthier Thanksgiving Day series. Now, this next recipe conjures up such warm and inviting memories of my undergrad days at the University of Georgia, where it felt like green bean casserole was on the menu more times than not. But you know what? That's a good thing, because a dish this good shouldn't be reserved only for Thanksgiving Day. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is fry our onions. To do this, I'm gonna soak my onions for a little bit in a mixture of almond milk and vinegar. And then I'm gonna coat them in all-purpose flour and salt. Now for the next step, we are going to saute onion, mushroom, garlic, scallion, and green peppers. Okay, so now that this is cooked down, I'm gonna go ahead and add my coconut milk. Last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my green beans. Before this goes into the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle some cereal crumbs.